job. I'll just pet it now. I really shouldn't. She's mad for looking at my dog while trying to.
You gotta know.
Yeah. Hang on, I gotta pour water in it.
We are out at Graham's Coffee Day in Gallatin. There's a Jeep meetup. We're going to go check it out. We're taking you guys with us. Let's get into this.
Say hello to your buddy.
All right. The 5 years have had her, she's never once touched the tank. No? She follows him upstairs every single day. Oh. Yeah. She has had.
All right, guys, we were out here last year. This is a great event. Lots of sweet Jeeps show up. It's pretty close to home. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, we go to a lot of car shows, cruises, events like that. So if you're liking this type of stuff, please hit the like button if you're here, which Jeep was yours, and consider subscribing. Helps me go to these events, get coverage for you guys. We might do some Jeep off-roading this summer, but we need to know that you're interested in that. So hit the like and comment what you think. All right, it's starting to rain a little bit. So might move a little faster than usual with the camera because I don't want to ruin my gear. That's a sweet hood. There's probably over 100 Jeeps here. It's always a good turnout. What are you thinking, guys? You want to see more Jeep content on the channel? Let me know below. Was going to be a beautiful day, but I don't know where this rain came from. Guess there's storms moving in. older Jeep. Those are cool headlights. Stickers. Well, the rain kind of detoured this show a little bit. I usually go more deep dive into them, but if you're interested, check out video on the left and the right hand side of the screen. You stayed this long, please consider subscribing. We're coming back every week with sometimes multiple videos for you guys. So we'll see you next time. Keep exploring.